Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of DeepSeek Dollars, which launches on the 6th of February at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this new product that I'm launching today. And as you can tell by the title, it's all connected to the great new AI from China called DeepSeek, which has caused an absolute sensation. You may have seen that it caused the US stock market to have its biggest single day collapse when it launched because of the fact that it was created, although this has since been questioned, it was created apparently at a cost of just 6% of what it costs to create ChatGPT, and it uses only 10% of the computing power required. Now, both of those factors obviously sent massive shockwaves through the tech sector in the US, and that's what caused the stock market crash. Now, since it's been contested and maybe it wasn't quite what it seemed in terms of those financial figures, and maybe there was a bit more investment into DeepSeek than had originally been reported, but even all that being the case, the fact is that this is a stunning piece of new AI. It was definitely created at less cost than the LLM models that are out there already, and the functionality of the free version is absolutely amazing. And all this product is interested in is what you can do with it. So as we say in the sales video, the geopolitics is all very interesting, and certainly it's something that I follow and I have a view on, but that's not what we're here to discuss. What we're here to discuss is, can I make money with DeepSeek? Can I make money using the free version of DeepSeek, and can I do it quickly? And the answer to all of those is absolutely yes. We want to give everyone first mover advantage with this, so we're releasing the front end of DeepSeek Dollars for less than $10, and it will teach you what are, in our opinion, the five easiest ways to quickly make money with DeepSeek. So if that sounds like it's of interest, then listen on to this review video. I'll also go through the bonuses that I've put together if you pick this up from the link underneath this video, and we'll have a look at those shortly. We will also have a look at the sales page. So here it is, DeepSeek Dollars, the new sensation that almost brought down the US economy. Learn how to monetize this amazing new AI. We'll come back to that in a second. We'll have a look at the sales funnel, confirmation that $9.95 is the front end price, and we'll have a look inside the members area. So what is DeepSeek? This changes everything for internet marketers. Making money online just got a whole lot easier. Discover the 5 best easy ways to make money using DeepSeek. It works in any niche. Anyone can do this, even if you've never made a dime online before. Totally newbie friendly. No list required. The possibilities are endless. Never be short of content, products, or ideas ever again. Alright, so first let's deal with these bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here that looks like this. This video will be in here. We've just gone through exactly what DeepSeek Dollars is, and the sales video you can watch either here on this page or on the sales page, entirely up to you. What is included in terms of bonuses? Well, total traffic, that will tell you the 15 best ways that you can get free traffic for any offer or anything that you're looking to promote. Total traffic, probably the best product that I've released on free traffic generation. The Tiger Report will teach you how to succeed in a contracting market or a saturated market, which to a degree we're in our industry right now. So the good times were the period over the COVID lockdown when everyone was looking to make money online. Things have become a little bit tougher since then. The Tiger Report will show you how to succeed and thrive. Rhino Results 2.0, a great product for improving your Warrior Plus score. Crypto Crackers teach you how to finally succeed with cryptocurrency in a virtually risk-free way. And List Your Links is a product that teaches you about secret hidden sites that hardly any marketers use that can get you traffic every single day. So those are the bonuses that are included in the members area. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. I'm not going to spend too much time on it other than just to confirm that price. do have a look through this sales page at your leisure. You can all read, I take it, so you don't need me to read this out for you. So just at your leisure, you can have a look through all of this. Okay, so now we're going to take you inside the members area. Getting set up is pretty straightforward. Just watch the short welcome video and the overview, all very short. And then we get on to the main training. We've got the introduction to the training and the 5 main money methods. They are obviously the 5 best methods that we think for getting started, getting up and running with DeepSeek. Obviously, we give an overview of what DeepSeek is as well and how to actually get access to the app and all of that good stuff. And just to confirm where your bonuses are that I just mentioned, you just click on here to access any of your bonuses that are included. In terms of the upsell, so front end $9.95, the lowest ever price that we've charged for our first upsell, our OTO1, $27 for the DeepSeek Dollars Pro version. That's actually wrong. We've improved this. I need to correct this page. We're actually giving you 50 more methods to monetize DeepSeek, along with some advanced techniques that will 10 times your income. So 50 times, 50 more methods with the Pro version to teach you how you can succeed with DeepSeek. And again, this OTO number 2, $47. This has changed slightly as well. This DeepSeek Dollars is 50 done for you prompts. So what we're giving you here with this option is 50 done for you prompts that you can use for each of these 50 versions in this Pro version here. Now, it doesn't matter whether you've purchased the Pro version or not. You can still use the prompts, but I do recommend obviously that you pick up both. But even if you haven't picked up the Pro version, you can still use the done for you prompts. All you have to do is copy and paste the prompt appropriate to the method that you want to use into DeepSeek, and it will give you fully spelled out step-by-step instructions for how to monetize that particular method. So we've done taken all the guesswork out for you. If you want to if you're confused and new to this and you don't know exactly how to ask the right questions, well, I strongly recommend that you do pick up these done for you prompts, because it will make sure that the information that you put into DeepSeek is absolutely right and that you will get the right answers out to enable you to succeed with the method that you've chosen to deploy. All right. Reseller rights, $47. You know, reseller rights sometimes work and sometimes don't on my products. With this one, I would say, you know, don't turn it down, because DeepSeek is the absolute hottest thing in our industry right now. So if you've got a product that you can sell and keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel, then if you wanted a product to sell on anything at the moment, it would be on DeepSeek, because it is the #1 hot topic. It's going to be for at least 6 months. If you think back to 2 years ago when ChatGPT first came out, that was all anyone was talking about, at least for the first half of 2023. It's going to be the same with DeepSeek this year. So why would you not want a product that you can get 100% of the commissions on? So do pick up reseller rights. Monthly Rotator Club, just something a little bit different that we've launched recently. It's for people that love passive income. We're giving people a different passive earnings opportunity from sales of my back catalogue of products every single month. It's called Monthly Rotator Club, but just to stress, this isn't a monthly cost. This is a one-time cost of $197. Once you're in Monthly Rotator Club, you stay in it and you get a new passive earnings opportunity every single month without ever having to pay again. So it's different. Some of you might have seen my Monthly Income Club, which is a separate passive income club, but you have to pay every single month to be in that club. With the Monthly Rotator Club, it's a one-time cost. Once you've paid it, you get the opportunity every month, but you don't have to pay every month. And for a limited time, I'm still offering my Black Friday bundle on membership of my High Ticket Elite Academy and my Passive Income Academy. Those are my 2 academies. One's involves product creation, coaching, affiliate marketing. The other one is another passive earnings opportunity product. But they're both normally on sale for $997 and $597 respectively. But for a limited time, you can get into both for just $497 for the 2. It's an amazing deal. So do have a look at it in detail. So that's pretty much it for this review video. Just to confirm, obviously you access everything inside the members area, so there's nothing extra to click on in Warrior Plus. I'm not going to give this a star rating because it's my own product. It's for other people to do that. So all that remains is for me to thank you for watching and listening to this review. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath, and also click on the bell icon so that you get informed whenever I bring out new content. So until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of DeepSeek Dollars.